Hi YouTube, I've been wanting to do this video for a while. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best enchiladas in the world. First off, you need to boil some chicken, and I'm sure you guys know how to do that. I like to shred the chicken up and then get a little bit of oil, just a little bit, not a lot, and some garlic salt, and you just sprinkle the garlic salt on there, put a little bit of oil, put it like on medium heat, and stir it around, and then you'll end up with like a little kind of yellow chicken. It's really good. But that's all. That's up to you if you want to use regular boiled chicken or try to make the chicken I made. But second step is gonna be frying the tortillas. Right now I'll show you how to do that. Just gotta fry them for like 10 seconds. You don't need to do it that long. They're gonna get cooked in the oven. Alright, so I'll be back and let me show you guys how I do that. Alright, so you're gonna put, let me see, I say like probably like half a cup in there of some vegetable oil, whatever oil you prefer. Just let it warm up a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you how to do the tortillas. You just gotta throw it in real quick. Alright, just get it warm, and then just do this for like 10 seconds, not long, because if you do it too long, it'll come out crunchy, and what you're looking for is just like moist and soft. So I'm gonna make a big meal, so I'm gonna do this for like 30 times. So yeah, just real quick, and then just try to dump off the excess oil and put it on the plate. Alright, I'm gonna finish frying my tortillas and I'll be back. And when you run out of oil, just throw a little more. Doesn't have to be that much. And then keep on frying your tortillas. And again, you don't need to do it that long. Just trying to get the tortilla soft. Alright, so I finished frying all my tortillas. I got a big old stack of tortillas. That's probably the hardest part. And let me see. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I like using Las Palmas enchilada sauce. This is the one. This is my most favorite one. The other ones, I don't know. It's all preference. But I would really suggest the La Palma green chili enchilada sauce. And I got mild. They have mild, medium, and hot. Alright, so let me open my can. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this. This is actually my first video that I made like this. I always wanted to share this, so here it goes. Alright, what you want to do is just put like a little base coat of the enchilada sauce, just a little bit, just like that, and then just try to spread it out. It'll spread out slowly, but you'll get there, because if you don't do this, the tortillas will get all crunchy and dry on the bottom. I don't like it dry. I like my enchiladas moist. So alright, just get everything covered up. Alright, so you should end up with something like this. And what you're gonna do, get the tortilla, kinda try to get both sides coated. Then some chicken inside. Roll it up. You can also put a little bit of sauce in a plate so that you can put your tortilla in there and just get both sides. Try to shake off the excess, and then put that down here. Roll it up. And how much chicken you put in there is up to you. You could put a lot or little. I usually like to put a little, but I'm not trying to be here all day, so I'm just gonna make them kind of fat, so it'll go quicker. But yeah, just keep doing that till you have a full tray, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention. Alright, so just get sauce on both sides so that it's not dry when you cook it. Put the chicken inside, then roll it up, and when you roll it up, this close on the top, just flip it over and put it with the flip it over so that when you put it down, it doesn't get it doesn't unroll and open up. And also, if you're running out of room, you could always just push back and give yourself some room, because I'll make a lot and this is way too small for that, so I'm just pushing them back and letting them build up. It'll still be a lot, and it'll kind of help me out more, that way I don't have to use up so much space. Okay, so this is what you should end up with. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sauce on there. I already put some sauce on there, I forgot I was recording. But yeah, and then you want to get some sour cream. You don't gotta put a lot, just make sure it's enough to spread it around. When you cook sour cream, it gets like a really good flavor. It tastes different than when you know it's cold. I love putting sour cream over this, and then just put some sour cream on top when it's done, or when you're eating it. But I'm telling you guys, these are the best enchiladas in the world. Alright, so once you got your layer of sour cream, you go and dump the rest of the sauce. And if you wanna get this sauce, it's La Palma green chili enchilada sauce. It's really good. Alright, so okay, and then after you got all the sauce on there, put some cheddar cheese on top. I got lucky, I got this big old bag, so I'm just gonna lay it on it. Oh, I'm gonna lay it down. Make it extra cheesy. Try to cover everything up. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Oh, it already looks good. Oh, make it super cheesy. Once I got the cheese. I don't always make it this cheesy, but I always wanted to try it. There it goes. Just throw some chicken that I have left over on the top. And then what you're gonna wanna do is cover this up with foil. Cover it up completely so that the steam stays inside and keeps everything moist and it doesn't get burnt. Because if you don't put the foil on the top, it'll get burnt. And you're gonna wanna throw that in the oven for like about 30 minutes on 350. Let everything cook in there, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. So put foil on top, 30 minutes in the oven on 350, and then I will be right back. Alright, so just cover it up really good. Make sure that the air doesn't really come out. No air goes in, no air comes out. Alright, so it should look like this. Alright, so now you preheat the oven to 350. And I already preheated it, so just put it in the oven 30 minutes, and then you'll see the magic come alive. Alright, you guys, so this is what you should end up with. Oh, I want to see what she looks like. Whoa. Alright. Let's crack her open. And that's what we have. The end. It's not dry, moist, it's perfect. And this is how you make the best enchilada in the world. Ooh, I'm gonna try it real quick. Tastes perfect. Alright, YouTube. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. You guys take care. Thank you. Tastes amazing.